13.4 Rule 4. A member leader will ensure organization continuity beyond her demise. A leader must ensure that the organization endures after she retires, dies, is deposed, or hits term limits. Although infrequent, this is one of the weakest points in time for any organization. If the strategy of the organization is closely linked to the leader, then her replacement may also end up drastically changing the organization's strategy. If the new strategy is crafted from inexperience, then the organization may be at a competitive disadvantage. Many forms of human organizations suffer from this. Monarchies have traditionally suffered from contentious leadership transitions when princes have often gone to war to establish their right to the throne. Similarly, charismatic CEOs often lead the organization down a strategic path that is uniquely suited to their skills and preferences, making their successor's job much more difficult. This is made worse by the common flaw of purging the organization of any developing strong challenges. Unlike the cells of an animal, members of human organizations do not share identical DNA. Hence, there is always the temptation of favoring those who are similar to themselves. This temptation extends to leaders too, and a weak leader may work to get her genetic successors to take over the leadership after her and to consolidate power. Yet, the human organization survives better if power is balanced across at least 3 or 4 groups or institutions.